Okay, now to the sequel part. Okay. I think the video cut me off, but bottom line, parentheses, max salary is going to be less than or equal to 25,000. So this is going to limit this bracket to less than 25,000. This is going to limit this to less than 25,000. This is going to limit this to less than 25,000. This is going to limit this to less than 25,000. Okay, and now let's copy and paste. Oh, another note, sometimes you can like just ignore the X and this code will still go through. Sometimes you should just ignore the X and stuff. So just be aware, sometimes you can just ignore it and yeah, just do it anyway and stuff. Okay, now that we updated that, let's go to... So don't fret, like if you see X, you should like know what the X means and stuff, but it's not like a complete blocker. You just definitely have to be aware of it if you see it and stuff. Hold on. Oh yeah, and reload. Excuse me, I paused the video real quick. Alright, now we have the jobs table. That's why. Yeah, another good reason why you don't reload, actually, let me... I have an idea. Okay, you see how there's not a jobs table in here? What you can do is, you can see how there's not a jobs here. You can go to SQL. Copy paste, put the code. See, now you updated this. But see right here, it's empty. There's no jobs table. So like you can use this as the past to see what it used to look like before. Just literally duplicate your tab before you write down any code. And then like look at this to see what changes you made. And right now we're going to refresh it because we just acknowledged that there wasn't a job table here before. And now there is a jobs table. Now there's a jobs table, now there's a jobs table, now there's a jobs table. And this is cheat view to the past, cheat view to the past, cheat view to the past. Like, well, obviously not right now, but this is a cheat view to the past, cheat view to the past, cheat view to the past. Sometimes it's good to keep the other tab out unchanged. It's some little things that you notice when you practice that are like good in the field and stuff, to like just have things a certain way so it's easier to tell what's going on in the environment and stuff. It's just one of the little things you should know and stuff. Okay, now create table of not exist jobs. So even if you have a jobs table, it's going to create it and it's not going to give you an error. Job ID varchar 10 not null. Alright, the name is the job. 10 is the amount of characters, and it can't be empty. You can't not have a job ID. And title 35 not null. Title 35 null. Nope. And minimum salary decimal 6.0, like 25,000 or something like that. Or like 99,000 is the max you can make or something like that. This is just like a random thought. This is not the actual limit we're putting up. But anyway, minimum decimal 6.0. The .0 is for like change and stuff. Like nobody